Relationship management. What is your understanding when we say customer relationship management? Many of you from business background. What is your understanding about CRM? Customer relationship management. So how do you have a good relationship? What are the different tools used for CRM? Any idea?
The communication, sir.
How do you very good? How do you communicate? How do you communicate? Let
Sir,
us
the
say you
feedback,
are
sir.
okay. Let us say you are running a soft drink company. Okay, how do you maintain such a CRM with your customers? Any idea? How do you maintain CRM with the soft drink company? Say, okay, in case of banker, how do you maintain CRM? In case of the bank, it is called client relationship management.
Sir,
Advertisement
help
coming
desk, sir.
under, wait. Advertisement coming under business promotions. Okay, it is not advertisement. Vinay, நீ என்ன சொன்ன?
சார் ஃபீட்பேக் ஃபீட்பேக் இல்லை சார், அந்த மாதிரி ஹெல்ப் டெஸ்க் சார்.
ஹெல்ப் டெஸ்க்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றதுக்குப்பா, அது எப்படி ஒரு கஸ்டமர் கூட ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் மேனேஜ் பண்ணும். இப்போ நான் வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்றேன், கெனரா பேங்க்ல அக்கௌண்ட் வச்சிருக்கேன், சரியா? ஓகே, இது வரைக்கும் கெனரா பேங்க்ல போயிட்டு எனக்கு அது சிஆர்எம்ல அவங்க எதுவும் பெருசா பண்ணதில்லை, சரியா? ஹெல்ப் டெஸ்க் நான் யூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியம் எனக்கு இல்லையே. ஹெல்ப் டெஸ்க் யாருக்கு? விஷயமே எனக்கு புரியல, எனக்கு பேங்க்ல எங்க டெபாசிட் இருக்கு எங்க வித்ட்ராயல் இருக்குன்னே தெரியாதுன்னா தான் அவங்களுக்கு தான் வந்து மே ஹெல்ப் யூ.
சார் இல்லைனா ஃபீட்பேக் மாதிரியா சார்?
I will give a case. இல்ல கேஸ் கொடுத்தா தான் புரியும். We are all talking from a customer point of view. Wait. Now you are called ABC Bank Limited. Okay. So in this bank, Vinay Krishna bought 500 crore as a loan. Okay. So one customer who has around 500 crore loan. Another customer taken business loan 300 crore. Okay. It's another customer. Just then the Roshan Prakash taken 540 crore. So let us assume these are the three major clients for the bank. There are hundreds of customers to you, right? In case of bank, but not every customer you can have a relationship. But whom you need to maintain a good relationship. This is a loan account, right? And some X or Y as having a deposit account. Let us say 10, 20, 50, 100. So this is a deposit account. Okay. Raj, Naman, Ashish. So they are having deposit with your bank. Okay. How do we maintain? These are the top depositors and these are the top loan takers. So how do we maintain relationship? Come on. இப்போ ஹெல்ப் டெஸ்க்லாம் உங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லப்பா, இவங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே ஹெல்ப் டெஸ்க் தேவையில்லை, கரெக்டா? How do you maintain? Come on, now tell me. How do you maintain CRM? Usually the private banks would do. The government banks are pretty slow in it, but the private banks are taking good advantage. No idea? As a banker, or if you are running your own pawnbroking firm, and this is the total deposit, this is the total lending. How do you maintain a customer relationship management? I'm sorry, I haven't shared my screen. I will share now. Yeah. Now you tell me, this is your loan and deposit details. So how do you maintain? I mean, this is the top loan takers and top depositors. So how do you maintain relationship with them now? The help desk will not help. That is for those customers who are illiterate or not exposed into banking. For those people only, we need to have help desk, not for everybody. Then,
So once you have the details of all the customers, sir, then you can reach out to them via like mail or telephone or like any SMS or like giving
very
customized
good, very
offers
good,
or
very good.
customized services.
Yes, yes, offers,
By then
offers.
which then you can
Yes.
approach them. So it's like
This ABC
kind of
Bank,
following up.
wait, this ABC Bank is having potential, right? 1,000 crores potential bank. So this ABC Bank can have a tie-up with an asset management company called XYZ Asset Management Services. Okay, they both can have a tie-up. Okay, so the ABC banks will know that who are all potential customers, right? So XYZ Bank, I mean XYZ Asset Management Company will not have to break their head for database. So database are available with this bank, and this bank also gets some commission from this XYZ because of sharing the database. Right? So how to maintain the CRM now? Here there are very few clients, right? So the bank manager could visit these people and these people. Okay? Yearly once or twice as a courtesy meeting. In business, they call it as a courtesy meeting. They will go and visit on any functions like the occasions like Diwali or Pongal. They will go with a small gift that will be given to these people. Okay, what is the business is getting out of these people? Any idea? Why I should do that? There are a lot of other competitors of mine who are ready to poach these customers. Correct? Okay, this is a business loan. What is the interest rate? Any idea? Interest rate for business loan ranging from 13% to 20%. Let us take a 15% loan. Okay. So every year, this guy pays you 75 crore as interest. Understood the logic? And this guy pays 45 crore and Roshan pays 81 crores as interest. The bank is getting income or profit by these guys. So 201 crore interest the bank is getting every year. Okay, sir. How much has to bank has to pay? So this amount is taken from these people deposit, correct? So these people has to be paid some amount. This is interest. Any idea what is the percentage bank gives to the deposit holders? Fixed deposit, recurring deposit? Maximum 6%, not more than that. That's the total. So the bank has to pay 80.4 crore as interest to the deposit holders. Still the bank is getting a profit of how much? 120.6 crores. There are other bankers outside who would also poach these customers. Okay, I say to Naman, you are getting, let us say, 6% interest in this bank. Come to my bank, I give you 8% on your deposit. Naman, what is your decision now? You are already getting, yeah, definitely will go. But if the manager is having some personal relation with you, what you will do now? Your branch manager is well known to you. He is attending all your family functions and maintaining a CRM, personal touch. So what will you do here? You will say that, sir, I got a call for 8%. Will you have a competitive interest for me? Yes or no, Naman? So this is the power of CRM. Your customers will come back and talk to you, sir. I'm getting a better facility in the other bank. If you provide, I will stay here. Then definitely the banker would convince you at least for 7.5% to 8.5%. In between this, somewhere the negotiation ends. Okay. And this guy is enjoying, Vinay is enjoying 15% in this bank. Right? Another bank calls Vinay, sir, you can transfer this 500 crore loan to our bank. We would offer you 14.5%. Vinay, what will you say?
I'll say
Any
no,
idea?
sir.
Why?
Less percent of interest.
No, already here it is 15%. Yeah. The new bank will
Okay,
give you
sir.
14.5%.
Okay, sir.
Will you switch over?
Maybe, sir, 0.5% interest does change that we might change, sir.
0.5% interest you get in terms of crore. See the difference. 2.5 crores you can save in the interest part. Correct? It's not a small
Yes,
one.
sir.
When you see a percentage, it is a small one. But 2.5 crores of money per annum, it's a big thing. So people would change.
Then I might change, sir.
For example, the bank manager is having a good relationship with you. Then what will you do?
Which bank, sir?
Same with the ABC bank.
I might ask him to reduce the interest since they are
Ah, you will say that, sir,
since
I
other
am
bank
paying
is giving me
regularly.
lesser.
Yeah, I am paying regularly. There is no default from my side. I'm getting an offer for 14.5. If you are able to give me less than that interest rate, then I can continue our services. And immediately this ABC bank, what they will do, they will reduce the interest rate as 14.2, something like this. Still you can say how much? This bank to this bank. 1.5 crores, correct?
Yes, sir.
Understood the power of CRM. You should always have touch with people, always have a relationship with people. Otherwise, running your business will become a big question mark. Okay, customer relationship management is defined as the art of managing the organization relationship with customers, and it differs from one type of industry to other type of industry. And a prospective clients refers to CRM, right? It includes various strategies, techniques to maintain healthy relationship with organization existing as well as potential customer. So the organization must ensure the customers are satisfied and they are having great loyalty towards the company. And the last line is very beautiful. One dissatisfied customer takes away 10 customers along with him. Yes or no? A recent Swiggy case. Everybody heard about the Zomato issue, right?
Yes, sir. And the Hindi language problem, sir.
Language issue. So one customer just he has made a screenshot of the chat message
Sir,
and he
sir,
posted in the social media. Yes.
sir. Because of this problem, Zomato shares reduced, sir.
Yeah, people
Zomato share
have
இறங்கிடுச்சு, sir.
lose their confidence. People will lose the confidence if the business is going in a wrong way. So immediately what we'll do, they will start selling of the share. I think some 4-5 rupees got reduced in the particular day. Okay. So be a Roman while you are in Rome. Again, the proverb proved. Okay, the need for CRM, it leads to satisfied customer. It retains the existing customer without switching over to other companies. Okay. It ensures the customer return to home with a smile. It means they are happy with your product. It improves relationship between the organization and customers. So a happy customer would spread a positive vibe about your business and they will bring more business. Correct? If you purchase something and you feel that the product is good, the service is good, the next step, what will you do? You will refer to other people, right? The same thing. The remaining things we'll see tomorrow. We'll take the attendance now. Number 1,